welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do something really cool. It's a science experiment and what ingredients we need for the elephant toothpaste. Hydrogen peroxide, tablespoons, food dye, 3 tablespoons of water, an empty jar, and dish soap and yeast, and I meant to say we need warm water. We also need safety goggles. Let's get started. I'm going to take my warm water and put 3 tablespoons. I put 3 tablespoons of water in there. For the yeast, you have to put 1.5 tablespoons. Add ½ cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now time for the dish soap. There's not really amount of the dish soap, so I'm just gonna put like 1 or 2 squeezes to be enough. Now I'm gonna add food dye. I'm gonna add 3 colors. I'm gonna first put in my red. Now time for the green. Now time for the sky blue. This looks so cool already with the color. So now it's time to add the yeast. Whoa! This is so cool! So cool! Just put my hand here. Look at that blueness come out like that. Look, there's a blue and green next to each other, and red is also coming out there. Oh, like next to each other as strands. So cool. Wow. Look at those strands of blue and green. The red is even coming out a little. The red is kind of light, green and blue are darker. The red light, the green is at like a medium of light, and blue is like more. And white has a little bit right there. So cool! What if I squeezed it? Whoa! This is so cool. Look at underneath here. It's so cool. This is so funny. Look at only some coming out like that. You have to wait 12 to 24 hours to get your crystal. Wow, even look at this Among Us one. I'm gonna pull it out. Look at it. And then set it aside. But now it looks like we even have a crystal jar. Look inside it. I'm gonna just go in. It's even on the bottom. Look at this. Look, like this part here, it got like attached to the eye. It's so cool. This barely less than a day, probably only took 10 hours and it came out like this, or 8. Oh, like, share, and subscribe, and I hope you like this video, and bye. See you guys all next time.